Does your small garden feel too cramped to be beautiful? Weary face. Maybe your outdoor space is so limited that you've stopped trying to make it look nice at all? Here's the truth. You don't need acres of land to create peace and beauty. Welcome to Relax Garden, your home for the most inspiring minimalist small garden ideas and simple designs for limited spaces. Herb. In this video, we'll explore 50 creative yet calming ways to turn even the tiniest balcony, patio, or backyard into a peaceful green retreat. Perfect for relaxing, meditating, or enjoying a quiet cup of tea. Hot beverage. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Relax Garden for more modern small garden inspiration, tiny backyard makeovers, and minimalist outdoor styling trends for 2025. Next, let's focus on function and calmness, the soul of minimalist design. Add a simple seating corner with a wooden bench or bamboo chair, something natural and light. Avoid heavy furniture. Let the air and light flow freely. Want a little modern charm? Add soft garden lighting, warm fairy lights, solar lanterns, or a small floor lamp near your plants. This turns your small garden into a cozy evening retreat. You can even create a mini Zen corner with pebbles, a candle, or a single bonsai, a space where every element has a purpose, and every inch feels peaceful. No matter how limited your space is, these 50 minimalist small garden ideas prove that less truly is more. Your balcony, patio, or backyard can become a sanctuary of calm if you focus on balance, texture, and a touch of green. Seedling. If this video inspired you to redesign your space, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe to Relax Garden for more small garden transformations, modern outdoor makeovers, and simple garden styling hacks for 2025. Herb. Because peace doesn't come from the size of your garden. It comes from the feeling it gives you. Until next time, step outside, breathe deep, and let your garden relax you. Leaf fluttering in wind.